Hello, my name is Mmamokotsi Tau. I'm 22 years old. I'm going to be acting for you, and I need your support. Please vote for me. Thank you. Kent, why? Why did you do it? You, my best friend, dated my boyfriend behind my back. I can't believe you did this. And when I tried to talk to you as a friend, you insulted me. You said I'm useless and you are the special girl, huh? And you slapped me on my face. You embarrassed me, Kent. Don't you see? You embarrassed me. What were you thinking? Huh? Having an affair with my boyfriend. How could... I'm not talking about this anymore. So, why did you come to see me? What do you want? What? This is funny. I mean, last time I checked, I was a useless girl. Now, an intelligent, beautiful, a special girl is coming to ask for forgiveness from me, huh? A useless girl. This is unbelievable. I mean, I can't believe this. You. Let me tell you. You listen to me very carefully. Don't you dare ever come here to talk to me, okay? I mean, you know what I can do to you, huh? That's why you came running to me to tell me how sorry you are to date my boyfriend behind my back, huh? You know what I am capable of, don't you? Now go. Get out of here. Go. And if you do, try by all means to talk to me. Only God knows what I'll do to you. Now get out of here. Go. Huh? Go. I will deal with her. Thank you.